Hello and welcome to the Roxburghe Group Vehicle Showcase. Today we're showcasing this Toyota Prius XL TSS Hybrid. Really nice this, automatic. You can look at round about nearly 40 miles to the gallon combined on this car, which is great for the size as it is a 7-seater. Really nice 5-door, alloy wheels. See, very well built Toyotas. You can see there you've got your boot with the seats are up at the back at the minute, so it's 7-seater mode, but they do fold flat to give you additional space when you need it. As you can see, plenty of room in the back for your rear passengers, and also the 2 extra seats here in the back. Really nice, that. Lovely option. And the seats are fully adjustable, so you can adjust them to different postures, different levels. Move them further back if you wish, depends on how you're sort of using the car. And you've got blinds as well that pop up to shield you from the sun. It's got electric windows front and rear, this car. As we come into the front, you can see lots of room again, part leather interior, really comfortable fully adjustable seating there. Has got parking sensors as well, this car, and LED daytime running lights. As you can see there, it's got a multifunction steering wheel. The sound you can hear is the door alarm, so once I shut the door, that will stop. And this car has run 86,933 miles. So we'll give the car a start. Literally just push button there. There we go, we've started. It's using electric at the moment. As you can see, you've got a central armrest here, which lifts up to reveal some additional storage space. You've got cup holders there and one at the back. You've got all your climate control, etc. Oh, the engine just kicked in to put some charge into the battery. Yep, so you've got your climate control there. Very easy, quick and easy to use. You've got your automatic gear stick, which is very unusual, but very simple to use. Literally just slot it into the area you want. It will display on the screen which gear you're in, and away you go. You've got your digital display, which has got built-in satellite navigation. You've also got DAB radio and various other options, connectivity for Bluetooth, etc. Put the car into reverse, you'll see there you've also got a reverse camera, and it has got parking sensors as well, as I mentioned earlier. Really nice this, lots of room, ideal for a large family. Very spacious, and hybrids are getting more and more popular here at Roxburghe now. We seem to have a lot more coming through. So if you'd like any more information about this vehicle or any of our other vehicles, you can always visit our website or just give us a call today. Thank you.